All right, now we're going over how to do the straight-legged deadlift. Now, a few things to make sure that you're maximizing the contraction and you're doing this exercise safely. Tip number one, you want to have a very, very slight bend in the knees. And I know it sounds contradictory because the name of the exercise is straight-legged deadlifts, but if you keep your knees locked and completely straight, you're putting direct tension on that knee joint, right? You do not want to do that. You want to reduce stress on the knee joint and maximize tension and effectiveness on the contraction of the hamstring, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a slight bend in the knee as we are performing this movement, right? Number two, you want to have a straight back, right? I see a lot of people in the gym, you do not want to have your shoulders rolled forward and coming down like this, all right? You want to have your shoulders back, chest up, straight back, and coming down right here, right? As low as you can go, getting a nice stretch, clearing the knees and coming back up. Third tip, right? When you come up, bring your hip, drive the hip all the way through and squeeze your butt cheeks together, right? Squeeze the glutes. This is a 2-in-1 exercise. Not only are you gonna get a nice stretch and contraction on the hamstring, but you're also gonna get a nice butt and glute workout, right? So drive the hip through, squeeze the glutes, and then come back and repeat the exercise for the specified amount of repetitions. That is how you effectively do a straight-legged deadlift.